Hey everyone, it's Adam Meek with Adam Meek Real Estate. We're going to continue the tour up here on the upstairs. And here's the bathroom up here. And then we're continuing on down the hallway. First bedroom on the left. Lots of nice natural light comes in this house because of all the windows. And then there's two more bedrooms upstairs, so a total of 3 bedrooms upstairs. And then here is the last bedroom. And that's it for the upstairs tour. If you want a full information packet, go to www.adammeekrealestate.com or go ahead and click the link below.